Because of the increase in e-commerce, we've seen many of our customers switch over from pressure-sensitive tape to Better Packages tape and tape dispensers.
Better Packages is the leading manufacturer of water-activated tape dispensers in the world. Companies typically switch from pressure-sensitive tape to water-activated tape for a number of reasons. First of all, it's productivity. One of our largest customers told us that they shipped 26 million packages last Christmas season. You can just imagine that if an operator is sealing hundreds of packages a day with a handheld tape gun, that their arm is going to get tired and their productivity is going to diminish. With water-activated tape, you only need one strip to secure the carton.
When a carton sealed with plastic tape, the tape just sits on the box. If someone pressed down on the box, their hand could slip right under the tape, pull something out of the box, then they could reseal the box without anybody even knowing that the box was tampered with.
Water-activated tape has the attributes of it sticks to the carton, it bonds with the carton. The differences are significant.
So that when somebody who's trying to steal something or pilfer something from that carton tries to take the tape off, it tears the carton to pieces and makes it tamper-evident.
They have found that when they change to water-activated tape, their problems with theft diminish to almost zero. Better Packages has a gold list of customers. JCPenney, Macy's, DSW, Disney, Land's End, LL Bean, BMW. Companies now have to realize that their branding extends to the box in which their products are sealed. That becomes the first experience that a customer has with a product.
Our customers also like the fact that water-activated tape is stronger. When you look at pressure-sensitive tape, it's a single ply of plastic. Water-activated tape has 2 plies of paper with fiberglass reinforcement in between, a much stronger bond for the box. Many of our customers like the fact that water-activated tape does not have a negative environmental impact. One in particular, Recreational Equipment Incorporated, has switched from pressure-sensitive tape to water-activated tape because they know that it's being recycled and not going into landfills.
We've been in business since 1917. We make a product that we're proud of.
We manufacture both electrical and manual dispensing water-based machines.
We probably have the safest machine on the market, and our machine meets or exceeds YAL standards.
They're designed to be rugged, reliable, and simple to use.
Our machines just parenthetically happen to be in the Smithsonian Institute because they have been around so long and last so long.
As a global supplier of water-activated tape dispensers, we now ship into over 70 countries around the world.
We're more productive, we're safer, we're secure, and we're environmentally friendly.
As a leader in the industry, we have to be the best. So we have that responsibility. We will be the best.